It seemed like just another day in the news cycle, with the usual mix of headlines and updates. Then, out of the blue, Tesla announced a major recall that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. The issue at hand? A faulty part in their popular Model Y and Model 3 vehicles, which are among their best-selling models. This recall, impacting hundreds of thousands of cars, was a big deal, not just for Tesla owners but for the entire electric vehicle market. But it also had people wondering, what about the much-anticipated Cybertruck, Tesla's bold foray into the pickup truck market? The Cybertruck, with its futuristic design and promises of unparalleled power and durability, has been eagerly awaited for years. With its angular, almost sci-fi design and ambitious promises, it grabbed headlines and captured the imagination of many from the start. But this recall, while not directly impacting the Cybertruck, cast a shadow of doubt over Tesla's ability to maintain quality control. Would this be a sign of things to come for Tesla's newest venture? Could the Cybertruck face similar issues down the line? The recall served as a stark reminder that even the most innovative companies face significant challenges in their journey. For potential Cybertruck buyers, it raised serious questions about Tesla's quality control and reliability. Could they trust the company to deliver a reliable and safe vehicle, especially one with such a radical and untested design? The recall news was a stark contrast to the initial excitement and buzz surrounding the Cybertruck's unveiling. It was a sobering reminder that even amidst the hype and anticipation, the road to production can be fraught with unexpected challenges and setbacks. And for Tesla, the stakes were incredibly high. The success of the Cybertruck was not just about launching a new vehicle, but about proving their ability to innovate and lead in the electric vehicle market. The Cybertruck represented not just a new vehicle, but a bold gamble on the future of electric pickup trucks, a market segment that Tesla hoped to revolutionize. As Tesla worked tirelessly to address the recall issues, the spotlight remained on the Cybertruck, with everyone watching to see if it would live up to the high expectations set for it. The journey of the Cybertruck was just beginning, and the world was eager to see if it would become the game-changer Tesla promised it to be. In the end, the recall was a reminder that innovation comes with its own set of challenges, and how a company responds to those challenges can define its future. For Tesla, the road ahead was uncertain, but filled with potential, as they continued to push the boundaries of what was possible in the world of electric vehicles. The year was 2019. Tesla CEO Elon Musk took the stage for the Cybertruck's grand unveiling. The world watched, expecting something extraordinary. What they got was even more than that. The Cybertruck was unlike anything on the road. It looked like a futuristic tank, all sharp angles and stainless steel. The initial public reaction was a mix of awe and disbelief. Some loved the unconventional design, others were skeptical. Memes flooded the internet, comparing it to everything from a doorstop to a geometric art piece. One thing was certain, the Cybertruck had captured the world's attention. Musk touted the Cybertruck's impressive specs, its range, towing capacity, and acceleration. He even demonstrated its supposedly shatterproof windows, though that demonstration didn't go quite as planned. Despite the hiccup, the Cybertruck's debut was a masterclass in generating hype. Pre-orders for the Cybertruck poured in. Hundreds of thousands of people put down money, eager to be among the first to own this futuristic machine. But behind the scenes, challenges were mounting. Turning the Cybertruck from a concept into a mass-produced reality was proving to be more difficult than anticipated. The vehicle's unique design posed numerous engineering challenges. Its angular body required new manufacturing techniques, and the stainless steel exoskeleton was difficult to work with. Tesla's engineering team had to innovate at every step, pushing the boundaries of what was possible in automotive design and production. Extensive testing was conducted to ensure the Cybertruck met Tesla's high standards for performance and safety. Elon Musk remained confident, often sharing updates and progress on social media, keeping the public engaged and excited. The production process was a race against time, with Tesla aiming to meet the high demand and deliver on its promises. The pre-order numbers continued to climb, reflecting the public's fascination with this bold new vehicle. The Cybertruck was marketed as a versatile vehicle, capable of handling both urban streets and rugged off-road terrains. Tesla's marketing campaign highlighted its unique features, from its powerful electric drivetrain to its spacious interior. The Cybertruck quickly became a cultural icon, appearing in movies, TV shows, and even video games. Tesla organized community events allowing fans to get up close and personal with the Cybertruck, further fueling the excitement. As the first Cybertrucks hit the road, they turned heads and sparked conversations wherever they went. The Cybertruck represented more than just a new vehicle, it was a glimpse into Tesla's vision for the future of transportation. Elon Musk's ambitious plans for Tesla continued to push the envelope, promising more groundbreaking innovations in the years to come. The journey of the Cybertruck, from its dramatic debut to its challenges and triumphs, is a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation. And as the Cybertruck drives into the future, it carries with it the hopes and dreams of a new era in automotive history. Tesla aimed to begin Cybertruck production in late 2021. However, that timeline proved overly optimistic. Delays plagued the project. Manufacturing the Cybertruck with its unique design and materials was no easy feat. Tesla encountered hurdles in sourcing parts and streamlining the production process. The Cybertruck's stainless steel body, while visually striking, proved difficult to work with. Traditional car manufacturing techniques had to be adapted, leading to delays and increased costs. The much-hyped mega castings, large, single-piece components meant to simplify production, also presented challenges. These massive castings were crucial to the Cybertruck's design but required specialized equipment and expertise to produce. These production issues forced Tesla to push back the Cybertruck's release date again and again. The delays frustrated reservation holders and fueled skepticism among industry analysts. The question became, would the Cybertruck ever live up to its promise? Or would it become another example of Tesla's overambition? As Tesla struggled to ramp up production, reports began to surface about quality issues with the Cybertruck. The ambitious project, which had captured the imagination of many with its futuristic design and promises of unparalleled durability, was now facing scrutiny. Early prototypes spotted in the wild showed inconsistencies in panel gaps and paint finish. These early sightings were a stark contrast to the sleek, flawless images that had been promoted during the vehicle's unveiling. These imperfections, while perhaps minor to some, raised significant concerns about the overall build quality of the vehicle. For a brand that prided itself on innovation and excellence, these visible flaws were troubling. Some industry experts questioned the durability of the Cybertruck's stainless steel body. The material, while touted for its resistance to dents and corrosion, was not without its own set of challenges. While resistant to dents, stainless steel can scratch easily, potentially impacting the vehicle's long-term aesthetics. Owners might find themselves dealing with a vehicle that, despite its rugged appearance, shows wear and tear more visibly than traditional materials. Others expressed concerns about the practicality of the Cybertruck's angular design, questioning its aerodynamics and interior space. The sharp lines and bold angles, while visually striking, could pose challenges in terms of wind resistance and fuel efficiency. These concerns were further fueled by Tesla's track record with quality control on its other vehicles. Despite the company's rapid growth and technological advancements, it had not been immune to criticism regarding the consistency of its manufacturing processes. Tesla owners have reported issues ranging from panel gaps to malfunctioning electronics. These recurring problems have led some to question whether the company can maintain the high standards expected of a premium automotive brand. While Tesla has made strides in improving its quality control, these past issues cast a long shadow. The company has invested heavily in refining its production techniques and ensuring that each vehicle meets rigorous standards. The question remained, could Tesla overcome its past struggles and deliver a high-quality, durable vehicle in the Cybertruck? The stakes were high, and the world was watching closely. Or would the Cybertruck become another example of style over substance? Only time would tell if Tesla could rise to the challenge and prove its critics wrong, delivering a vehicle that was as reliable as it was revolutionary.